Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get my natural eyelashes to look long without eyelash extensions or fake eyelashes. So if you would like to see how you can get your eyelashes to look long and full, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first, if you like, you can always use a eyelash curler. I personally don't use one. So I'm just gonna get straight into applying the mascara. My favorite one is this Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara Plus. It looks like this. It's fairly cheap, but it still works really good. So this is what the applicator looks like. And I really like how skinny it is because it doesn't pick up so much product where your eyelashes are looking real clumpy. So when you're applying it, you just want to make sure that you get right up to the very bottom of your eyelashes and go upwards. And when you're going up, you want to make sure that you're twisting the applicator upward. So that way it also separates your eyelashes so they don't get all clumped together. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're not using as much product. You would rather want to apply many times than putting a whole lot of product on the applicator. And you don't want for the product to be wet, so it would best to either use like a mascara that's kind of like dried out just a little bit, or you can also just put a fan in front of your face. That way it dries while you're going. And after I do that first coat, I just like to take some tweezers and unclump where some of the hairs might be clumped up together. And you pretty much just repeat that step. So you just keep applying layers of the mascara until they're as long and as thick as you'd like them to be. And it's easiest to, when you're applying it, start all the way from the bottom like I said, and then just close your eyes. And once I have all that applied, I'm just gonna go from the top of my lashes and do the same thing as the bottom. I'm just gonna curl upwards. This just gives them like an extra lift. If you happen to get some mascara on your eyelid, it's best to just let it dry and take a Q-tip or like a cotton swab and just like gently wipe it away. But since I don't have any makeup on my eyelid, I'm just gonna wipe it away with my makeup remover wipe. And that is how I get my natural eyelashes to look longer and fuller. As you can tell, there's a big difference. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope it really helps out some of you guys who don't really like to use false lashes or don't really like the eyelash extensions or whatever. You just want to wear your natural lashes. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.